Hello and welcome back. Are you tired of feeling unproductive? Do you often find yourself caught in the cycle of procrastination and time wasting? It's time to break free from the chains of wasted time and unlock your true potential. Imagine what you could accomplish if you use your time wisely. Every minute you wasted is a minute you will never get back. You have the power to make a change. It's never too late to start using your time effectively and pursuing your goals. So, here are some steps on how you can remove procrastination and control time wasting. Set clear and specific goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve and break your goals down into smaller and actionable steps. Having a clear direction and understanding what needs to be done can help you stay focused and motivated. Create a structured schedule. Establish a routine and create a schedule that allocates specific time blocks for different tasks and activities. Prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency, and set deadlines for each task. Use productivity techniques. Explore productivity techniques such as Pomodoro technique, time blocking, etc. Or you can use the 2-minute rule. These techniques can help you manage your time effectively and maintain focus by breaking your work into shorter and focused intervals or by tackling quick tasks immediately. Identify the distractions that typically sidetrack you and take steps to minimize or eliminate them. Put your phone on silent mode or use apps that block distracting websites. Find a quiet and dedicated workspace where you can focus without interruptions. Practice self-discipline and accountability. Cultivate self-discipline by making a conscious effort to resist the urge to procrastinate. Hold yourself accountable for your actions and deadlines. Use visualization and positive affirmations. Visualize yourself successfully completing tasks and achieving your goals. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your belief in your abilities and to boost motivation. Replace negative thoughts and self-doubt with positive and encouraging statements. Start with small and easy tasks. If you find yourself procrastinating, start by completing smaller and less demanding tasks. If you can, this can help you gain momentum and build confidence, making it easier to tackle more significant tasks afterward. Practice self-care and manage stress. Procrastination sometimes could be a result of stress and burnout. Take care of your physical and mental well-being by getting enough sleep, eating well, exercising regularly, and managing stress through activities like meditation or mindfulness. If you feel refreshed and balanced, you're more likely to stay focused and motivated. Celebrate progress and reward yourself. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Reward yourself when you reach milestones or complete tasks. Recognizing your progress and giving yourself positive reinforcement can help maintain motivation and reduce the tendency to procrastinate. Remember, reducing procrastination takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and be willing to adapt and experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. With consistent practice and a proactive mindset, you can effectively reduce procrastination and increase your productivity.